Hello viewers, welcome to Node.js tutorial. Today I will show the example of Node.js Express installation. So firstly, we need to install Express. Install the Express framework globally use npm so it can be used to create web application using Node terminal. So how we can install Node.js Express? npm install Express dash save. So Express is installing, it take few seconds. So Express install done. So here is the our package Node.js package .json. JSON, this is the dependency of Node.js. Here is the Express module and Express framework module, and here is the Node module. Install it when we install the Node.js Express. Now more important things is when we install Express, then is required some install, suppose body parser, cookie parser, and multier. Body parser, this is the Node.js middleware for handling JSON, raw text, URL encoding from data. Cookie parser header and populate request.cookies with object key by the cookie name. So now I will install the body parser. npm install body parser just save. So body parser installing. So this body parser need when we will use the express module, we will install another cookie parser data save. And another one is install multer just save. This multer this is the middleware for handling multipart from data. After install Node.js, we can include the Node.js module, the Express, and here is the app. Express. Then app.get. This is the HTTP method. This is the callback function. Request res.send hello world. Here is the Express module, and here is the Express app. And we want to find the hello world by by Express framework is the get method, and this is the request and response is sent hello world, and this is our server app.listen 8081. This is the port. In this port we will run our project, and this is the host, the server.address, host and port, and finally it will find the example of listening for host and port. Now we will run our Express project. Node index.js is showing the example of listen of host and port. Now we will see the localhost 8081. Here they are showing the hello world. So our application run on 8081 port, and also the find the hello world. Thank you.